In front of me is Motorola Moto G 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then you need to hit consent. Tap on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options. Then hit this X at the top right corner and those three lines at the bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!